So yes, thank you so much first of all for this opportunity. Yes, and आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कि लोग जो भी कुछ करते हैं, चाहे फिर वो जो कुछ भी हो, तो उसके पीछे की वजह क्या है, राइट? वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दैट टुडे. सो कोई बताना चाहेगा कि व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक कि जो लोग करते हैं, चोर जो होता है वो चोरी करता है, या कोई गुनहगार होता है वो कोई गुनाह करता है, तो वो क्यों करते हैं ऐसा? क्या कोई बता सकता है? या जो कोई मदद करता है दूसरों की वो क्यों करता है? एनीवन? ओके, सो हियर्स द थिंग. हाँ, यहाँ पर इस दुनिया में जो कुछ भी होता है, अगर कोई किसी की मदद कर रहा है, या अगर कोई किसी को परेशान कर रहा है, अगर कोई चोर चोरी कर रहा है, चाहे जो कुछ भी चीज हो, सो देयर आर 6 रीजंस, राइट? रीजन से ज्यादा मैं कहूंगा कि देयर आर 6 नीड्स. ह्यूमन की 6 नीड्स होती है जो सबसे बेसिक होती है, और इंसान इस दुनिया में जो कुछ भी करता है ना, वो ये 6 बेसिक नीड्स जो है ये पूरी करने के लिए करता है, फिर चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, राइट? और हम आज इसी इसी इस और एक बारे में बात करेंगे कि ऐसा क्या हम कर सकते हैं ताकि हम इस पूरी 6 नीड्स को प्राप्त कर सके. सो यस, पहली नीड जो है वो कुछ ऐसी है, इट इज कॉल्ड एज सर्टेनिटी. सो सर्टेनिटी होती क्या है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा समझने का प्रयास करेंगे. सो सर्टेनिटी इज समथिंग like having an assurance, all right, having an assurance of avoiding pain and gaining pleasure in the future, all right. जब भी हम कुछ अच्छा काम करते हैं, जब भी हम मेहनत करते हैं, ऑलराइट, मान लो कोई स्टूडेंट है जो बहुत अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई कर रहा है, एकदम टाइम टू टाइम उसका टाइम टेबल फॉलो कर रहा है, तो इज इट इज इट नॉट ट्रू कि वो बहुत ज्यादा सर्टेन होगा कि उसका रिजल्ट अच्छा आने वाला है? हेलो, शो ऑफ हैंड्स इफ यू एग्री. यस, सो दैट्स व्हाट सर्टेनिटी इज, राइट? बट हियर्स द प्रॉब्लम विद सर्टेनिटी, राइट? यहाँ पर क्या है ना, बहुत कम लोग हैं ऐसे जो सर्टेनिटी के लिए कुछ ऐसे मेहनत वाले काम करते हैं, यू नो. अगर मैक्सिमम लोगों को हम देखें ना, तो ये सर्टेनिटी के लिए बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें करते हैं, नेगेटिव चीजें करते हैं. जैसे कि कुछ लोग होते हैं वो दूसरों को डांटते हैं, दूसरों पे चिल्लाते हैं, दूसरों पे ब्लेम करते हैं, राइट? कुछ देर के लिए उन्हें सर्टन फील होता है. कैसे फील होता है? उन्हें लगता है कि अगर मैंने इसे अभी डांटा तो शायद फ्यूचर में ये मुझसे अच्छे से बात करेगा. Because of this, they feel certain, so they shout, they blame, they talk arrogantly to their friends or whoever it is. It doesn't matter who it is, right? So this is a negative way of achieving the need of certainty. इससे होगा क्या? टेम्पररी बेसिस में सर्टेनिटी जो है तो इंसान को मिलेगी, right? लेकिन लॉन्ग टर्म में उसको बहुत हार्म करेगी. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर, as we know, in their comfort zone. So it's very difficult for ordinary people to get out of their comfort zone and do something really good to gain the need of certainty. और भगवान का एक सवाल है मेरा, भगवान ने का एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत बढ़िया है जो उसने सेकेंड नीड दी हमें. तो मेरा एक सवाल है, यहाँ पर किस किस को सरप्राइजेस बहुत पसंद है? हेलो, ओके, आई सी मोस्ट ऑफ द हैंड्स. सो हियर्स द थिंग, मैं आपको कुछ मतलब ऐसा हर्ट नहीं करना चाहता, लेकिन आप जो बोल रहे हो, आप झूठ बोल रहे हो मुझसे. आपको सरप्राइजेस नहीं पसंद, समझ लो. यू लाइक द सरप्राइजेस ओनली दैट यू वांट. और वो सरप्राइजेस जो आपको नहीं चाहिए ना, दैट सरप्राइजेस इज कॉल्ड एज प्रॉब्लम. मतलब मिलता तो है अपने को वो चीज लाइफ में, लेकिन अपने को पसंद नहीं है, अपन उसको बोलते हैं प्रॉब्लम, राइट? बट हियर्स द थिंग, you know, most of these people in this world, whenever problem comes to them, they try to avoid the problem, all right, by by doing just one thing that makes them feel comfortable for a shorter period of time. जैसे मान लो कोई है, एक स्टूडेंट ही पकड़ते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट दे डू इज, अगर उनकी एग्जाम्स है, राइट, उनकी पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है, बहुत टेंशन में है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है। क्या करते हैं लोग यूजुअली, बच्चे क्या करते हैं, what they do is they try to avoid it. How to avoid it? By giving excuses कि नहीं कल से पक्का पढ़ूंगा, कल से पक्का पढ़ूंगा, 100% कल से पढ़ूंगा, लेकिन क्या वो कल तो आता है नहीं। बहुत लोगों को इसके बारे में, बहुत लोगों ने सुना होगा कि वो कल कभी नहीं आता, स्टूडेंट्स का स्पेशली, कि मैं कल से पक्का पढ़ूंगा, कल से पक्का पढ़ूंगा, लेकिन पढ़ाई तो होती है नहीं। और भी बहुत सारी चीजें होती है, जैसे मोबाइल एडिक्शन हो गया, right? They get into their mobile so much just to avoid the pain of thinking and handling the pressure कि एग्जाम में तो वाट लगने वाली है। बिकॉज पढ़ाई तो हुई है नहीं। दिस इज व्हाट पीपल डू, राइट? बट हियर्स द थिंग, प्रॉब्लम्स जो होती है ना, प्रॉब्लम्स को लोग सोचते हैं कि प्रॉब्लम्स लाइफ में नहीं होनी चाहिए, एंड वट एवर स्ट्रेटेजी दे मेक ना, they make it so that they won't have any problem in their life. Isn't that right? Hello? But here's the thing, the mindset of people, thinking of people about problem, that problems makes your life bad. Now I won't use some words, but I can say that some people think that problems in your life means your life is bad. Isn't that right? What isn't that what most of the people think? Yeah. So here's the thing, I'll tell you, problems are something, I'll tell you, if you don't have problems in your life, you will never ever grow. And here's the problem with everyone, most of the people, not everyone, but most of the people don't understand the power of the problem. You know, the problems can take them so high, no matter what kind of problem it is, because with every problem arises a new solution, right? अगर कोई problem है तो definitely उसका solution है. But when you are trying to find the solution, in that process, what your mindset, what your thinking becomes is at a very next level, and that's how you grow. But people usually don't consider problem as a growing thing in life. They consider problem as something bad, कि मेरी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है यार, मतलब मेरे साथ ही हमेशा ये क्यों होता है, why everything happens to me, why everything happens with me, right? This is most of the people's mindset. But problems are something that makes us grow. People should understand that. People should understand the power of problems. And let's talk about the third basic need. The third basic need is significance. यहाँ पर कितने लोग हैं जिनको significance मिलने के बाद अच्छा लगता है? What I mean by significance is importance. How many of you feel good when people show some importance to you? I believe everyone, right? Here's the thing. Here's the thing. But not everyone gets that kind of a significance from each person that they expect to get it from, right? Now, लोगों का क्या है? जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, when there is an addiction, we just want it, want it, want it, and want it. So people get into a habit of getting this importance, that getting the significance from whoever they meet, every person. Is it possible that each and every person that you're going to meet in your whole life is going to give you significance? It's not possible. It's not possible. But significance is something that people get addicted. Like, मुझे चाहिए इज्जत. कुछ लोग कहते हैं ना, मुझे चाहिए full इज्जत. People get addicted to this, to be honest. But significance is something which you can gain. All right. Now here's the thing, and trust me, इस पूरी दुनिया में जो violence होता है ना, crime होता है, violence होता है, it's for the significance. Now here's an example. Just let's imagine I have a gun in my hand and I'm pointing my gun towards your head. Don't I have all the importance in the world? Wouldn't you do whatever I'll say, tell you to do? Hello. That's what most of the people do. What most of the people do is they use violence to get their significance. If you don't do this, I'll kill you. If you don't listen to me, I'll kill you. If you don't do that, you'll pay for it and all that stuff. There's where violence happens, and that's the reason why violence happens. Just to gain significance, and that's not the only reason. Again, the reason the violence doesn't stop towards the gun there. You know, there are so many violences. जो अभी इंडिया में बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है, as you guys know. I wouldn't say it because I don't want to say it early in the morning. Let's not get into that kind of a mindset. But बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है इंडिया में. क्यों? Why? You know, people are desperately in the search of the fourth basic human need, and that need is love and connection. You know, here's an incident that I would like to tell you. All right, there was a small girl, 15 years old. All right, now I'm really sorry if you guys take this into some other sense, just but please don't try to take this in the right sense, because if you understand this, you can literally change your belief system entirely. Right? So there was a girl who was 15 years old, and unfortunately, uh, she was brutally tortured by her own father. All right, she was brutally tortured by her own father. So this girl, from that day, she stopped trusting everyone. She what she did is she stopped trusting everyone. She got married. Even her marriage didn't work. Why? Because she had no trust left. You know. Now here's the thing. Here's the thing. She went to a psychiatrist, all right, and the psychiatrist said something to her that changed her entire life. What he said is, listen to this carefully. What he said is that I believe whatever your father did to you was so bad, was so brutal that he cannot be forgiven for. But here's the thing. He said, I can guarantee you one thing, all right? I can guarantee you one thing, that that man, your father, he is regretting each and every single day of his life for what he did. And here's what I think. The psychiatrist said, here's what I think. Your father was desperately in a search of love and connection, and his last expectation was you, that you would be the last person that he would get love from. Now, he also said that this doesn't mean that I support him or something. Whatever he did was non-acceptable. It was like unforgivable. But what I understand here is that he was desperately in the need of the fourth basic need, that is love and connection. Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, if you believe, if you made this your belief system, if you put this in your belief system, and if you start believing this, whatever people do, good things, bad things, whatever, they do this for just this basic needs. All right. Now, I've just told you the four needs. Why? Because the last two needs, here's the thing, the last two needs are spiritual needs. You know, those are spiritual needs. Those needs cannot be fulfilled at any cost until and unless you fulfill those first four needs in a positive way. Now, what exactly I mean by that? Let's talk about that. All right. So, first I talked about certainty. So there are some people who blame others. There are some people who, they argue with people. They always fight with someone. Why is that? Because they don't want to feel. They don't want to think about the circumstances that are about to come in their life. They want to feel certain. They want to ignore the fact what's coming to their life, right? That's why what people do is they somehow distract themselves from the reality. That's what usually people do, right? Now, we also talked about uncertainty, what people do when they're uncertain. People try to avoid problems by getting addicted to something. Well, here's another thing, here's another fact, all right? You can also note this down. If you do something, all right, if you are doing something in day-to-day life, and because of doing that, if you are achieving three of your basic needs, six basic needs, by doing something in your day-to-day life, if you are achieving three of your six basic needs, no matter what happens, you are going to get addicted to that thing, whatever you are doing. That's what psychology says. Now, here's the thing. जैसे हमने बात की अनसर्टेनिटी, होता क्या है ना guys, होता क्या है ना, now let's suppose I'm going to give you an example here, all right? Let's suppose there is a guy, ठीक है, एक एक लड़का है और उसका एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, ठीक है, उसका एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड है और उसकी शादी हो चुकी है उस लड़की की, ऑलराइट? हुआ क्या ना, उसकी जो वाइफ है, उसकी वाइफ ने उसने चीट किया, ठीक है। पहले वो बहुत खुश था, बहुत सक्सेसफुल था, एकदम जबरदस्त उसका सैलरी था, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा था, बट व्हाट हैपेंड इज हिज वाइफ चीटेड, शी लेफ्ट हिम, ठीक है। तो हुआ क्या, उसके बाद वो ना एकदम, उसकी सर्टेनिटी पूरी तरह से खत्म हो गई, राइट? अनसर्टेनिटी टुक प्लेस इन हिज लाइफ, प्रॉब्लम्स आई उसकी लाइफ में, उसकी बिलीफ सिस्टम कंप्लीटली चेंज हो गई थी, उसका उसका विश्वास जो था हर चीज से उठ चुका था, राइट? क्योंकि ही वाज अ जेन्युइन पर्सन, ही वाज अ ऑनेस्ट पर्सन। इसकी वजह से हुआ क्या, ठीक है, इसकी वजह से हुआ क्या ना, उसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड जो है, उसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड, उसके आजू बाजू रहने वाले लोग, दे आर ट्राइंग टू गिव हिम सिग्निफिकेंस, दे आर ट्राइंग टू गिव हिम इम्पोर्टेंस, बट उसको वो दिख नहीं रहा है। व्हाई इज दैट? बिकॉज ही इज स्टिल इन दैट माइंडसेट, ही स्टिल फीलिंग दैट हर्ट, ही स्टिल नॉट एबल टू ट्रस्ट एनीवन, राइट? सो लोग उसको इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहे हैं, लोग उसको सिग्निफिकेंस दे रहे हैं, बट वो खुद उसको देख नहीं पा रहा है, राइट? उसके बाद हुआ क्या, वो सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं देख पा रहा है लोगों का, इसलिए उसको, he is not able to get some love and connection from the people around him, isn't that right? Now let's consider this. If you guys are giving importance to someone, right, every single day, and that person is saying to you that I don't get enough importance from you, how would you feel? Okay, even if you're giving importance, how long would you be able to give that person if he's not able to see at all? 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 5 years max? कब तक? But here's the thing, उसके वजह से he is not able to get the love and connection. Now, if he has no love with people around him, if he has no connection with people around him, will he ever grow? No. And will he ever develop a mindset of a contribution? No. But here's another example. Okay. Some different guy, same story. He was happily married, he was enthusiastic, he was successful, he was doing very good in his life, he was certain about his future that it's going to be good. Same thing happened, his wife cheated on him. But his belief system was something different than this guy. His belief system was, okay, I understand this is life, this happens. Now, I know I'm one of those unfortunate people, but what can we do about it? If this girl cheated on me, but that doesn't mean every girl is like this. Everyone is like this, isn't that right? This is what he thought. Because of this, he had no uncertainty in that. He had no problems in that. I agree that he would have taken some time to get back to his legs again, right? But because of his mindset, he had no uncertainty after that. Whenever people used to give him importance, he was able to see that. Because of that, he had love and connection with all the people around him, because of which he was able to grow. And if he's growing, is it possible that he can develop a mindset of contributing? Hello, each and everything, each and everything in this world, whether it's certainty, uncertainty, significance, love and connection, growth, contribution, doesn't matter what need it is. Each and everything, हर एक चीज is depend on what you think and what you communicate to yourself. जैसे हमने पहले बंदे की बात की, the first guy, अगर अगर ऐसी सोच किसी की होगी, क्या उसका कभी कुछ आगे हो सकता है? Now I understand things happen in life, right? Things happen in life, terrible things happen. I'm not, because I'm not I don't believe in motivation, to be honest. I believe in intelligence, and what intelligence says is you need to see things as they are, not more than it is, not less than it is. If you do this, if you look things as they are, then and only then you'll be able to predict and plan your thing for your future. Isn't that right? Because things are never going to happen exactly the way you want. This life is like a game of chess, you know. If we are playing a move, life is going to play his move, you know. It's not going to happen that everything is going to be like whatever you play, right? There are going to be challenges in your life, but everything will depend on how the way you think, how the way you communicate to yourself, what's your belief system. If you have a strong belief system, like we talked a few days back, in self communication, if we have a communication like that, each and every single need, that is the most basic human need for human being, without this need human cannot survive, is said by psychology, not me, to be honest. These are not my words, these are psychological words, these are psychological facts. I'm just here to share this with you. All right. So these things, these six basic needs, people cannot live without them. All right. Even if he's missing a single need out of these six, right? But there is a way, there is definitely a way how you can achieve these six needs like this. Only if you have a mindset, only if you have a belief system, only if you communicate to yourself that way. Who agrees with this? Show of hands. So yes, thank you so much. This was it that I wanted to share with you today. और ऐसे ही मिलते रहेंगे, अलग अलग चीजें सीखते रहेंगे एक दूसरे से. थैंक यू सो मच.